Here's how to turn a slide deck like this into a full study system in under 5 minutes. These are just lecture slides from my son's safety course, but instead of just rereading them, we're going to turn them into a study guide, practice quizzes, and flashcards so that we can actually test ourselves and remember the material. Let's start from scratch. We'll get started by heading over to Study Gems, logging in. And I don't have a course yet, so we'll create one. My son's taking fire safety, so we'll do that. I'm doing this manually, but we could import the syllabus. I don't have his syllabus on me at the moment, so we'll just go with a manual. This will be quiz 1. It is a quiz, and say the quiz is tomorrow. Create the course. And we'll open the study assistant for this. Head over to study guide, add a file. If I had files, they would show up here. I don't have any in the system at the moment, so we'll add it. Basics of fire safety. We'll leave the defaults checked. Key concepts, formulas, practice problems, and a comprehensive guide. And we'll hit generate. And we have our comprehensive study guide. We can save it. And if we needed to, we could export it if we wanted to print it. If you wanted to send it to someone, you could export it as PDF, download it. So from here, we could just study this. We could highlight it. We could do whatever we want. For me, I choose active recall. So we'll go over to our practice quiz system and generate a practice quiz from the study guide. So we'll take the study guide we just generated, add it in. We'll get 10 on the free tier. We get 10 question practice quizzes. If we upgraded to premium, we could get 250 questions if we wanted. We'll just hit add. We could target it further with an additional prompt, but we'll just see what it comes up with from the study guide. And we'll take what are the 3 essential elements required to start and sustain a fire? I think it's oxygen, fuel, and heat. There we go. Cool. Minimum percentage of oxygen. No idea. There you go. I should take this class as well. But we can do this. We go through, continue to take these questions until we can answer them all correctly. It will randomize them. So you'll get the questions randomly. They do repeat, and the answers do reorganize each time the question is asked. So you're not just memorizing the pattern. And we keeps track of how many questions you've answered correctly. And once you get 10 answered correctly, you'll get a little celebration. It keeps track of how much time you're spending. So a good rule of thumb is for a quiz, study for about an hour. It'll keep track of how much time you've studied across this specific quiz. So we could also generate some flashcards if that's the type of studying you like to do that too. So same thing. Let's choose our quiz. Let's use this time let's just use the original file instead of the study guide we generated. It's going to generate same thing, 10 flashcards. If we upgraded premium, we get 250 flashcards. You can see here it's keeping track of our progress. We've done a bit of studying so far, and we're about 1% of the way there to our goal. So similar questions, but if you prefer them in flashcard form, or you can use both. Definitely do both if that works for you. Great, and that didn't take us very long at all. Generated a study guide, practice quiz, and flashcards from the same set of slides. We have everything we need to study and ace this quiz. Thanks for your time. Head on over to Study Gems and give it a try.